Hi everyone. Welcome. Today we're tackling a common tech challenge, how to sync your universal remote with your smart TV. This simple guide will save you from juggling multiple remotes, making your entertainment experience much smoother. Let's get started and simplify your setup. First, understand that universal remotes work by using specific codes that tell your TV what to do. They essentially need to learn your TV's language, and most universal remotes have a setup mode for this process, so checking your remote's manual is always a great first step. The most common method is code entry. To begin, turn on your smart TV. Then, grab your universal remote and look for a setup or program button. You'll typically press and hold this button until an indicator light turns on. Once the light is on, you need to enter the specific code for your TV brand. These codes are usually found in your remote's manual, or you can easily search online for your universal remote brand, codes for your smart TV brand. For example, searching for GE universal remote codes for Samsung TV will yield many results. Enter the 3, 4, or 5-digit code carefully. After entering, the indicator light should blink or turn off. Point the remote at your TV and try pressing the power button. If your TV turns off, congratulations, you're synced. If not, don't worry. Simply try another code from the list, as most brands have several compatible codes. Another helpful method is auto code search, especially if you can't find the specific code for your TV. Again, turn on your smart TV. Press and hold the setup or program button on your universal remote until the indicator light illuminates. Instead of entering a code, press the power button once, and the light will start blinking. Now, repeatedly press the channel up button slowly while pointing the remote at your TV. Each press sends a new code. Stop immediately when your TV turns off. Once the TV is off, press the setup or program button again to save the discovered code. Test other functions like volume and channel to ensure full compatibility. For more advanced universal remotes, there's a learning mode. This feature allows your universal remote to learn signals directly from your original TV remote. To use this, place both remotes head-to-head, usually 1 to 2 inches apart. Enter your universal remote's learning mode, check its manual for specific instructions. You'll then press a button on your universal remote, followed by pressing the corresponding button on your original TV remote. The universal remote will copy the signal. Repeat this process for all the buttons you wish to transfer, like volume, channels, and input. Finally, some troubleshooting tips. Always make sure your universal remote has fresh batteries for optimal performance. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and your TV, as obstructions can block the signal. While most smart TVs accept universal remote signals for basic functions, remember that some very specific smart TV features or app controls might still require your original smart remote. Don't get discouraged if the first code or method doesn't work. Persistence is key, and there's usually a compatible code or method for most TV and remote combinations. And there you have it. Syncing your universal remote with your smart TV isn't too hard, it just takes a few steps and a little patience. You can now control your smart TV with one device, simplifying your viewing experience. Thank you for watching this video. We truly hope it was helpful for you. If you liked this guide, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and guides. See you next time.